Yeah. Yes, people. See it now, people. What me tell you, say, people, Apache and the whole army, they're on the riverside. Yes. You ever come soon with food, we not touch them on backside. Hold on there. Hold on. I'm over there. I same time I see there. Yes. Up on the river with the people. On the people.
That's true, man.
People, when you see it, people. People, see that people. People, we are going to cook. We are going to cook on the river. We are going to cook on the river, people. People, I saw we deal with foreigners. Yes, we take care of them when they come to Jamaica. Voila! Hey, we say Jamaica go burn down. Yes, because the plane them touch down. That's why Jamaica go burn down. Because the plane them touch down.
Sure,
Yes.
man.
All foreigners fly down. Yes, all foreigners fly down. Yes, plane them touch down. Yes, the plane them touch down. All foreigners fly down. And I saw.
Gonna be the spot
Yes,
right
for
here.
the foreigner them are going to sit down. Yes,
Look,
and I saw.
look at these leaves.
The whole way I go have fun.
Look,
Yes.
get a little smell. Some seeds drop down here.
Yeah.
And the herb,
Yeah.
And the herb, lad.
Yeah. Looks close.
People see it there, put on the pot. People see it there, see the pot there. See the pot there, people, yes. See the pot there, people, see the pot there. And beer season, what the next pot? Season like what? See coal there, see food there. All type of thing we have here, people. See it there, season like what? All type of thing, people, look here. What up, people? People watch out, I don't know, scumming hard. Yeah, because the foreigner them are power with superstar. I don't know, scumming hard. Because the foreigner them are power with superstar. Yeah. Anywhere we go, we don't shell long any bar. Yes, because Apache, a real star. When I say anywhere we go, we shell long the what? The bar. Because Apache, a real star. Hold on.
Start up. And then rice will start.
Yeah.
It's all vegetables. You know the deal.
It's a blessing.
Mm-hmm.
Pick me and pick my rice. You see me just run go wash rice and not pick rice. You see me still like them where I don't take rice. When me have steam rice, it have been nice. Oh. That's why the foreigner them love me so cause when they come to Jamaica they take care of me. And me take care of them. Yes. And them style of the people they love. That's why they love Save the World. And the real reggae rubber dub. Bob Marley rubber dub. Yeah, that's how we go foreign. They show me love. When we go to Europe, they show me love. When we go to Africa, they show me love. When we go to Europe, they show me love. Yes. And when they come to Jamaica, we show them love. That's how we treat people. Yeah, them style of them love. See that natural style. Yeah. Them style you can't spoil. Well, man, me chuck off like a crocodile. That's why people don't like when me smile. What you mean, Apache? Them style yeah, the whole world want to see. I St. Thomas River me there. I cook for the whole New York City. When me say to you now, me a part with Apache. I airport me go for him. Me glad for see him and he glad for see me.
Yo, we're over here in St. Thomas.
Hey.
Right underneath the bridge.
Yeah, fuck
Nice
out now.
views.
That's how we treat people, yeah? Yeah, that's how we treat people. We treat people nice. Yeah, and take care of people. Yeah. Show the whole world this. Apache, show the whole world this. How we deal with foreigner and tourists. Yeah. Show the whole world this. How we take care of foreigner and tourists. When you think I joke thing this, me I do this from the age of 6. And now me am 56. Yeah. Yeah, I mean you see it right. And so me treat foreigner when they come to Jamaica. Me just bring them on the river. Yeah. And steam food and get them and make them full up and take care of the instructor. And smoke some big Bob Marley where big like the whole of Manchester. Yes, that's how we deal with foreigner. Oi, tell them. Oh, you must think a joke thing. So we deal with foreigner, we don't play. Pop chow, yeah. This one is callaloo.
Yeah, that one's callaloo, yeah.
This one is callaloo, but it cut up already. Me buy this cut up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the pot chow don't cut up. So I have to cut up the pot chow. People, I was showing the real country style. The pot small, but me buy them callaloo, yeah.
When you cook it
in
down.
one place near Whitehall. Yes, me not tell about Salvamar, me tell about St. Thomas Whitehall. So through the pot small, yes, me start divide them. And wash them in our next bag with small. Hey, you said this a boy, you're a real African boy. You may tell you, this a boy, you're a real African boy. Hey, me tell you, Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yep, in Jamaica.
Oh,
Big
well,
up, say the
yeah.
world, you know the deal. And St. Thomas.
Wood and water, when they tell about water.
Apache,
Mm.
from Jamaica?
No, I've been here a couple times.
Okay.
This is my fourth time here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Feed and no fertilizer. Your real food, me make the foreigner then get to Jamaica. Yeah. Yo, and fling back your one here. This one here save the world. I cook your one up on the river. You hear that? For the youth when you're Apache, we're just flying at Jamaica. You hear that? Well, we can't make the girls then show up on the media because we are going to have a problem with the baby mother. Well, hey, my youth gone for about 4 because they hear so we just come from Portmore. Yeah.
Stayed on the pot. Got the callaloo in there. Bok choy. What's the name you call it?
Pop chow.
Pop chow. There you go.
Yeah, we no bow. So we consume pop chow. Yeah.
20 right now.
We no bow. We consume pop chow. Yeah, people. The next 5 minutes, the pot land. You hear me say? The next 5 minutes, the pot land. Yeah, show. Turn it over good. Make them see it. Yeah, yeah. Turn it. Come over. Make them see it. Yeah. Put it over. Yeah. And the next 5 minutes, the pot land. So, the most people that will consume your one here, I will come from foreign land. Yes. And I must say white woman and white man. Yes. You hear me tell you? People, you see them food there? Them food there you consume, them food there you don't yam. Well on there again. Yes. You know hear me say? And I see the world I cook them your food there. For all foreign people. Well on the Jamaica side. Because them your food there wild. Yes. You see this now, this name all in one. This a callaloo, pop chow, all type of things because we know about. Well on there. Hey, me say, and this a party a go nice. Yes, this a party don't bother call spice. Because I go and consume everything with my white rice. Well on there. Hey, me say, me a tell you my uncle Matthew, Ali. Well on there, Shashmo. I Canada, me say people. Remember tomorrow, a dance hall. No, not dance hall, rubber dub Thursday. People remember say tomorrow a rubber dub Thursday. I want everybody for there. Because we don't know say me I go there. Yes, and them food there, what me I go consume. Me I go burn down there. Yes, and the whole world wants to see me there. What certain time I say, well on there. Yes, me say, you know me I tell you. Yes, people. Hey, well on there, let me show you now, people. Give me this. So I go consume it, people. No look good. See me? See me? And I'm not joking. So nobody believe I joking. Yeah, enough of them. Some of them they on top of the building. Yeah.
They're waiting to come down.
Yeah, I yesterday come from foreign. Yeah, I yesterday morning me go for him. Yeah, me want the whole world to see him. And me I cook for him. You want to check that joking? So tomorrow night, I rubber up Thursday, them I go see me a DJ and sing. Yes, and then them I go see me, I go fly up on stage like pitching. What are they? Hey, me say, CJ, when you think of joking, save the world I go on to the Jamaica. Yes, me I cook for all of the visitors them. Well, they from America, England, Canada, all over in Africa. You know, hear me I tell you, and a joking I go on your Shashmo. A real thing I go on here, I want the whole world to see this. I save the world I cook it for all of the foreigner them. Yes. And not joke thing this. You hear me I tell you? Yeah, a real thing this, yeah. I'm going to take it off now, people. I land in land now, people. You ready now, people? Yeah.
At the airport.
Yeah, I land him, I go land now, people. I'm going to take him off. Yes. And everybody I go consume them off. Yes. You saw this Apache big like down a wharf? Hey! We say Jamaica nice for people. I saw no for live. Yes, when tourists and foreign people come here, all type of visitors come here, when you cook for them, just find some river in any country area, from St. Thomas to Woolwich to Manchester, anyway. Because Jamaica big and large like what? All back this year. Yes, big up Shashmo for over Canada.
Big up Shashmo. Shout out the vlog. You on the vlog? Go ahead.
Yeah, talk again. Call your name, Shashmo. Call your name.
Born and grew up in the Love Valley area.
All right.
You see it?
That's a St. Thomas in a Jamaica.
Big up Shashmo.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah, man. That's all right. That's all right. I'm going to take him off now like me would be ready for pluck bird. That's all right. I'll take him off now like when I'm ready for pluck bird. Then take that joking and go on ya. Apache. I hear this now, Apache. Apache. Are you first? Hey, Shashmo.
Yeah.
When we represent people, you see, we represent them the right way. You hear me say? Yeah, when we represent people, we represent them the right way, Shashmo. So you are going now. Apache first. I go get a plate and him a get them enough. Apache first. I get the plate and him a get rice enough. You hear me say?
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good. That's good.
Eh? What you say this good, Apache?
Yeah.
Too much?
Yeah, that'll be good.
People no see it. Apache first. Wanna think I joke thing this? Oh, I see if they will cook this. You know, so it rich. Oh, I see if they will cook this. You know, so it rich. Oh, Apache first I get him dish. You know, so it rich. Apache first I get him dish. I want to think I joke thing this. How they fought them there?
Right here. Hold on.
Okay. Oh, what is your Apache? I want to think I joke thing this. Apache first I get him dish. When I say I come ask you, I want the whole world to see it. Give me it back again. I want the whole world to see this. I want the whole world to see this. Apache first I get him dish. So I'm going to give him it. Apache, welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome. Thank you.
Yak, gonna take me normal. Me not normal. Oh, gonna take me normal, boy. Shalom, Shalom, I this you fi see. Anytime popcorn, I bring up on tour again. You see them here? Don't left them. Well, I'm gonna knock them up, make you hear them.
Not left him.
Hey, listen. Hey, Shalom. Next time when I go on tour, don't let your belly out the door. Hey, well on the Apache, tell him. I mean, why you tell him? Why you tell Shalom alone? Tell him, say, Next time when I go to Trinidad, in fear of him put them in him bag.
Now I love it.
We very happy. What's so sensitive? What are they? Hey, what are they? Apathy. More you tell about time out, apathy. Apathy. More you tell about time out, apathy. Apathy. Tell Shalom. Tell Shalom. Say next time I go to Trinidad, in fear of him, what?
You better not leave that pot.
In fear of him putting in what? In him bag. Hey, me say, if this logo viral, that means someone that touched my pistol. Hey, well on in Jamaica. I pack up my bag and leave with me pack them. I'm a white family people them. Yes.